No more let sins and sorrows grow.
Well, today is Glue Up Day. And before I can get started, I got to clean up this mess I made. And I made a change to this sled last night. And I want to show it to you here. Well, it's not a big change and it's no big deal. But yesterday when I was cutting all those little pieces, the blade was coming out just a little bit out of the back of this down near the bottom. And what was happening was I was getting all this sawdust coming out here. And so I glued this little block on here so the blade will go into that block a little ways, and then the sawdust will go down into the cabinet of the table saw. No big deal, right? But it's one of those little things that just makes things a lot nicer. Even on wheels, that thing's heavy. And another nice thing about Cleanup Day and Glue Up Day, don't have to wear these. This thing was really handy. Why is it that messing up the workshop is so easy, but cleaning up is so hard to do? Kind of reminds me of a song back in the 60s that I used to hear all the time. It went something like, "Cleaning up is hard to do." Yeah, that's it. Neil Sedaka. Right. I remember. Cleaning up is so hard to do. So there's going to be 12 bowls like this. And each one of these bowls just has one ring that has the aspen in it. So I only need 12 of these. So I'm going to make these 12 first. And that way there's less chance of me making too many of them. I just wanted to do sort of a dry run here and just make sure everything's going to fit. I probably could have done 4 or 5, maybe 6 at a time. There would have been room here, but then I've only got the 3 clamps. So what I'm planning on doing is doing 3 in the morning and then 3 in the evening. So it should take me maybe, what, 2 days for the center rings and probably another, what, 8 or 10 days for the other rings. Okay, not only am I not able to sing, I'm not able to add either. Well, here I go with the first of the 12 center rings. And this takes me about 5 minutes here, so I'm going to speed it up and we'll do it in about half a minute.
He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love.
And I guess tomorrow I'm going to have to be off to Canadian Woodworker to get another bottle of that Titebond glue. And I hope you're going to watch for the Christmas Candy Bowl Part 8.